Assalamualaikum everyone. Today I'm here with the new video that is about adding numbers by using base and blocks. Now, what is the use of blocks? How we can add number by using the blocks? We can use only these blocks for adding numbers, or we can use for subtraction and division and multiplication. So for sure we can use these blocks for any of these operation. We can use it for subtraction. We can use it for multiplication, division and addition. So let me show you this flat shape or square shape. The red color is presenting the 100. Okay, how many let's say if there are 3 square shapes, that means 300. 1 square shape, that means 100. 2 square shape means 200. Now let me show you tens. As you can see, here is 110. Now these are 2 tens. Okay, now let's see how many ones are here. I am just going to show you 1, 2 and 3. So what is the value? Can you guess? Do you have any idea what is the value of these blocks? So this is 100. 2 tens will be equal to 20 and these are equal to 3. So what is the value? 100 and 210 will be equal to 20 and these 3 ones are equal to 3. So value is 123. In this way, the base 10 blocks are useful to present the value of any digit, any numbers. Okay, so you can use these objects, these blocks, in order to recall the 3 digits value or 2 digits value. So now how we can use these blocks for adding numbers, let's have a look. Okay, show you the use of these blocks. Now let's say if someone don't have these blocks, like someone don't have the card paper or the blocks which we can buy from the market, so we can also have an option to draw these blocks. How we can draw? Let's have a look. Okay, here you can see I am just going to write here values 326 plus 425. How we are going to add these numbers by using base 10 blocks? Let me show you. How many hundreds are here? 300. 1, 2 and 3. How many hundreds are here? 4. 1, 2, 3 and 4. How many tens are here? Here are 2 tens, here are also 2 tens. So we can draw the tens in this form, or we can simply draw the line like this one is also the presentation of 10. Okay, so 2 tens. And how many ones are here? 6 ones and 5 ones. So let me draw 2 tens more. As you see, 2 tens are here, 2 tens are here. Now 5. Here are 6 ones and here are 5 ones. So let me draw these by using, we have 2 options. We can draw the blocks or we can draw the dots. Okay, so 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. How many ones are here? 5 ones. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Let's add them together. How we can add? There is a rule which you need to remember. That is, we need to start from the smaller unit. We are going to add the numbers from the one side. Like this is 100, tens, ones. 100, tens and ones. So we are going to start from the one side. So let's add 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 and 11. So how many values are here? 11. As you all know that this is a rule, we cannot write 2-digit number in the answer unless there is another number. So we can also write tens and ones. We are going to just write here the one side Okay, that is 1. 10 side will go here. Meanwhile, there is another 10. Okay, so we can draw another 10. Now let's add them. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. So I'm just going to write here 5. Now how many hundreds are here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. So what is our answer? Our answer is 751. 751 is the answer. Okay, now let's add some numbers. 121 plus 32. So we are going to solve this question by using the blocks. As you know how many hundreds are here, first we need to write the values 100, tens and ones. Here is no 100, tens and ones. As you know that 3 digit means there is 100. Okay, there are 2 digits, it means that there is a value which have tens and which the second one is the ones. Okay, now 121, 100. Okay, I am also going to draw it 100. Okay, how many tens are here? 2 tens. So let me write here 2 tens. Okay, how many tens are here? 3 tens. 1, 2 and we can adjust here 3. Okay, in this way we can adjust it. Okay, now 100, I wrote the value, I placed the value of tens as well. Now how many ones are here? Let me draw 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Okay, what is the value of 1 here? 1. And what is the value of 2 here? 1 and 2. So let me present it by using the cards 1 and 2. 1, 2. So let's add the number. As you know, we start adding numbers from the smaller unit. So from the smaller unit, here how many ones are here? 2 ones and 1 ones. So these are collectively 3. These are collectively 3. So 3. How many tens are here? 3 and 2. 3 and 2. 3 and 2. Collectively these are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So I'm just going to write here 5. How many hundreds are here? 100. How many hundreds are here? 100. How many hundreds are here? 100. Is there any other 100? No. So I'm just going to write here 153. Our answer will be 153. In this way you can add number. Question for you is 254 plus 321. This is your question. You need to solve this by using based on blocks and must share your feedback. Are you able to solve this question? Okay, in case if you don't have blocks, you can draw the blocks. I told you the method how to draw the blocks. Okay, and please share your feedback after watching my video. Subscribe my channel and share it with your friends. See you in next video. Thank you so much for paying attention. Allah Hafiz.